Today I'm going to show you my latest kit. It's a Christmas kit. And here we go. And here are some backgrounds. Some green. And Christmas tree or forest tree. Funny snowman. And here are some background. A little pink. I couldn't bear myself. I have to. Yeah. And some really Christmas. And the background as well, with the town and birds. You see. And some pink again. And collage. And a little pink again. A reindeer and open fire. Some writing space. And a winter forest. A little fox looking out. And Santa. Some more writing space. And here we have the doilies. I have shown you before. A red one and a green one and some Happy New Year's. Yes, I think it's nice to have the year. So, and here we have tags. Some more tags. And here we have some, what you can call it, not tags, sorry, yeah, you know what I mean. And here are a folded, I have shown you this before. You fold it and you can put in things in the envelope pocket. And here we have two pockets. A Christmas time and a Santa. And here we have 4 Santas or 2 Santa birds and a lady. And some small things you can make to have. Those I have think of to have a small journals, really small. And here is a background. I thought this was a good one to have. So this will be to my coffee today. Thank you.